Hello, good morning my dear kids. How are you beta? I hope you all are fine. Let's start. We are doing the login system. We had covered login system part 1. I am opening that project. Now you know that how to open code.org, how to sign in code.org, and where is my projects under project section. It's processing now. Yes, I am clicking on this login. In login system we had taken 4 screens, screen 1, 2, 3, 4. We already covered up to register. Today we will do coding on login system. Means when I have created my account after registration, then I will able to do login. Now main motive is this thing. How to do this? Please watch login system part 1. Then you will able to understand it login system part 2. What we are doing today. I am deleting all the things here. Already done this thing. Yes, I have registered my account. I am running it. Suppose I am new user, clicking on this, and I am registering myself. I am writing here Mohit 345 registering. Click on this register option. Yes, thank you for registration. Now when I am writing here Mohit 345, I am clicking on this login option. I am not able to access this app. Now you will able to do this. For this you have to choose on event, this one, on event, you know that. Now you know that when you are using a button, you will use on event. Event is a clicking. On which button you want to do? This is a login button. You can simply look at this designing section. What's the name here? Button login. Look at this. This is a button login. Now go at use it button login. This one. Now my main motto is this: when I am entering user ID and password, then I will able to go at screen number 4. Welcome in our system. For this you have to use, means you have to do matching. Which matching? Means I am entering here user ID. This user ID should be matched with this database, login information, this database, and when I am entering the password here, this password should be matched with this PWD, whatever you have registered. Means I want to match this. Already told you which control you will use. That is a if control. Means if this will match to this, then you will able to go at screen number 4. Now you want to repeat it. How many times? These records. Number of times the records present in your database. You want to do repetition. For this you are using a repetition. For you are using iteration, for loop. And you want to read the records from this database. You will use read record. Go at coding section. I am going at read records. For this you will use data. Simply drag and drop read record here. Read record here. And my table is, this is a my table. Look at your table name. This is a login information. L is capital, I is capital, whatever is written here, you will use in the same way. L should be capital here, I should be capital here. I am writing here login information as it is. Okay. Now this is a repetition. Already told you for loop. For loop, this is a initialization statement. I is equal to 0, I less than records dot length. How many times will repeat statement? Up to records length, means the length of these records. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this. 7 times it will be repeated. And one by one it should be incremented. Means after first record, then it will go at second, third, fourth, fifth, like this. Under this, I want to match. Which thing I want to match? This user ID and this data section. For this you have to use if statement, then you will go at code section, then you will go at control section. There is a if statement here, simply drag and drop this if. If you want to do comparison, then you use double equal to sign. What you are using? That you are using double equal to. For this you will go at math section, then simply drag and drop this double equal to here. After this you will want to get the text from this user ID. For getting the text from this you will use get text. What you will use here? Get text. Go at UI control and simply use get text, this one, get text. You want to get the text from this UID input 1. This is a UID input 1 because it is at screen number 1. Look at the designing section, whatever you have given here. Look at this. This is a UID input 1. Go at this. This is a UID input 1. Double equal to means you want to match this with the data section, these records. You can write records I, simply drag and drop this. Otherwise you can type also. Records square bracket I dot, that is a column name. Here I am taking a UID, right? UID here. Look at this data section. Here name is UID and second is a password. Okay, now there is no need of this. Read this. If this will match, then you will able to go at screen number 4. For this you will use set screen. Set screen this. Set screen, go at screen number 4. Then simply run it. Go at data section, Mohit. I have already created account of Mohit. I am writing here Mohit. Yes, log in it. Yes, it's going. But main thing is this, I have not applied a coding of password. Suppose I am writing here Mohit 1 2 3. Then let's go log in. Yeah, but 1 2 3 is not stored. That is 3 4 5. I have to apply the coding for password also. Password should also match. For this you will go at show text section, click on this. Now be careful when you are copying this. After if there is a round bracket, after if round bracket, then select. You will not select this round bracket, get text up to this last round bracket. You will not select the round bracket in between this. Then right click, copy it, then unclick it, then write comma, right click and paste it simply. Be careful when you are pasting, otherwise error will appear in rectangle. You have to copy in between this in between this round bracket. Get text UID input 1 is equal to record.id.uid. Then write comma. Comma is must here. Then you simply paste it. Then go at block section. Go at blocks. Now UID is repeated here, but I want here password. Simply use password here. For password, password input 1 and write here PWD like this. Okay. Now set screen 4. Now run it. Now I am running it. I am clicking on this run section. I am choosing the data support Sonia 1 2 3. Sonia 1 2 3. I am writing here Sonia and trying ABC. Then click on this login. Yes, I am not able to do login. When I am writing here 1 2 3, then login it. Yes, now it's able to login. Means we are matching both user ID and password here. You are matching user ID and password here. How many times this loop will repeat? 0 up to length of this record. You will set the screen 4. This screen you are setting it here. Means first of all we are reading the records from my table login information. How many times will loop repeated? It will start from 0 and up to length of this records. Then get text, we are getting the text of this user ID input and matching it with record i.uid, means we are matching with this UID, this table UID. And in the same way we are matching for the password. When they will match, then we will able to access this app, and we are going at screen number 4. Simply choosing the screen number 4 here, setting the screen number 4 here. I am running this app. I am a new user, clicking on this. I am creating my ID here, Alice, suppose GHI, register. Yes. Now I want to access Alice, then GHI, I am login. Yes, welcome in our system. Then you will log out this. I hope you have understood it. Please do practice at your home. Thank you so much. Bye bye.